Today is National Child Day to celebrate children as active participants in their communities and lives. Grandparents and older adults play a crucial role in a child's life. They share knowledge, stories, traditions, and more with younger generations. That is why it is important to remember the key role that grandparents and older adults play in the healthy development of a child. What are you doing today to celebrate? Let us know in the comments below. 今天是全国儿童日，庆祝儿童积极参与社区和生活的一天。祖父母和老年人在孩子的生活中扮演着至关重要的角色，他们与年轻一代分享知识、故事、传统等。这就是为什么要记住祖父母和老年人在孩子的健康成长中扮演的关键角色是很重要的。你今天要做什么来庆祝？在下面的评论中让我们知道。